Today I'm going to teach you a software called SolidWorks. So let us start. After installation SolidWorks, you can find two different files on your desktop. One says SolidWorks 2011 64-bit edition and second one is SolidWorks Explorer. So when starting the software you need to go to SolidWorks edition to start the software. So what I will do is I will double click the software. This is SolidWorks Premium 2011. It takes a bit of time to start the software. Now this is the screen and it is loading. So what you can see on this screen is on the top bar you can see some menus. So there's a right click arrow, just go to the arrow and you'll find some options called File, View, Tools, Help. They are menus. Just take back the arrow, it goes away. When you take it, it comes. So apart from that, again on the right side there are some options. Some are inactive. These are the some menus which are inactive. Here you can see some search SolidWorks help. If you want some kind of help you can go here and search. Okay, let's start with something called this page, which is called a new page. Creates a new document. Just click it, single click, single left click, and then again you will see three kind of different options. Every time when you open SolidWorks you need to open the new document and you need to go to part. It shows part, second one is assembly, third one is draw. But for the beginners just go to the part. So we are going to make some kind of part modeling over here. So says okay, the page is loaded now. So basically this software is a designing software which is being meant for engineers to draw design. As I'm a mechanical engineer, so I draw some kind of mechanical designs which includes different kinds of screws, fasteners or nuts, bolts. Yeah, the screws and fasteners are nuts and bolts. There are machines which can be made, there are cars which can be made, and in the cars there are doors, how the doors are opened, how the doors are closed. It contains wheels, how the wheels are rotated, some kind of simulations and many other things which can be made through SolidWorks. So don't worry about anything, you can just start with the basics. So this was the basic introduction about SolidWorks. Now on the screen what you can find is many options. On the top hand side you can find the menus, the same menus which were inactive earlier, now they are active. Some of them are active. Okay, next is this toolbar. What is this toolbar called as? This is a complete toolbar. Here you need to double click. Okay, you can find the command manager. The name of the toolbar is command manager. You can move anywhere you want to, but what we are going to do is we are going to keep on the same place so it is comfortable for us to design things. Click again, double click on the command toolbar. Okay, this command toolbar contains different features called features, sketch, evaluate, team expert, office products. But initially we are using features and sketch based features. So now we are going to the bottom. Here you can find three different arrows. Just click on it, it goes in. Again click it, left click, everything with left click, it goes in. This particular window is known as document window. This is called as document window, and in this window you will find is kind of different options. This thing is called as a tree. This is a tree, this is a design tree. So whatever you make, it comes in the tree and you can see what kind of things you are making. And this tree also contains different things called as, this feature is a feature manager. As you can see, feature manager, design tree. The second one is the property manager. This is again configuration. This is team expert manager, and this is display manager. You will learn step by step everything in the next lessons. So on the extreme left you can find some features which are active and inactive. This is known as surface toolbar. This is surface toolbar, but this is called as surfaces. I bought it on the center of the screen. Again to the left it goes here. Initially we don't need this toolbar, so what I'm going to do is I will right click and I will click on the surfaces. It goes so that I get more workspace to work on. Here you can see trimatic. Trimatic means there are three different axes, X, Y, and Z. This is called as an isometric view. This was an isometric. On the right hand side, again we will find some options, but again we are not going to use these options initially. So there are again few options left over here, as you can see, but don't worry, this will be shown in the later part of the slides. So what I'm going to show you is some basics of engineering you need to learn. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle, but don't follow how I'm going to draw a rectangle. I am not explaining how I'm drawing a rectangle, but I will show you the basics of engineering. Okay, so this is a rectangle. In the rectangle, what you can see is this face. This particular face is called as face. This is a face, this is a face, this is a face. So how many faces does a rectangle have? 4 on the sides and top and bottom. So total 6 faces of a rectangle. Okay, I'm zooming in. I will tell you how to zoom in. This is known as edge. This is one edge. This is one edge. So where two faces meet, that becomes an edge. This is edge. This becomes an edge. I am going to use this language, engineering language, so you will understand in the later part of this section. So this face and this face intersection gives an edge, and this is the vertex. So face is our 4 sides, and this becomes the intersection vertex of 3 different edges, and when 3 different edges meet, it becomes a vertex. So there are first vertex, this is the second vertex, third vertex, fourth vertex. So in all there are how many vertex? 8 vertex in a rectangle. Okay, so now I'll be teaching you the mouse clicks.